Alright, so my truck is having a really bad misfire for whatever reason. The check engine light isn't flashing anymore, but it was. But I think no. I think it's because this. Here, I'm gonna shut it off real quick. Actually, I think this here spark plug wire is not all the way pushed on there. Make sure they're all on there. All 8 of them. All right. Nope, still going. That does not sound good. It's having a really bad misfire on one of the cylinders. Alright, so I have no clue what I did, but it's fixed. I'm not sure if it just took a second for that. I don't know, that was weird. It was misfiring really bad. Huh. I don't know. And it beeped at me. I just heard a beep that I'd never heard in this truck, and then the check engine light started flashing. Like, it sounded like my radio went boop boop, but it wasn't my radio because there was nothing plugged into it and it doesn't make that noise. I don't know, so hopefully it's fixed for now. Oh cool, so if only a few seconds later the check engine light comes on. But it's not flashing now, at least. And it definitely sounds a lot better than it did. I guess let's go with it and see if the check engine light goes off. So this is kind of random, but I figured I'd bring you guys along for today just because I'm kind of on an off day. Basically, what's happening right now is I am waiting for about 40 more minutes until I can go right over there and get my eyes checked because I need new glasses really bad, hence why I'm wearing contacts, which I haven't had for a long time, as you've told by the videos probably. Alright, so now that I just spent too much money on an eye appointment and glasses and contact lenses, a lot of money. I was not expecting it to be as much as it was. We are going to now go record videos and stuff because that's what I want to do and that's what I'm going to do. And look at this charger. There's a, wait, there it is. You can see it right there. SRT8. Oh, I want one. I want one of that generation. Although I want a Magnum more. I don't know. Anyways, let's go find cars to shoot videos of, I guess. I'm gonna get ice cream from like my favorite ice cream place. I'm not sure what I want to get though yet. I really like St. Charles. It's kind of a neat county, I guess you'd say. This is actually a county. It's just like this old part of town. I just love the aesthetic of it. The old rallies. Uh-oh. It's gonna rain. Well, I obviously got here at a good time. Oh well. Alright, I'll say that's good for here for now. See if I can record some more stuff before the day's over. God, look at these. Look what the gas pumps do to my truck. They overflow almost every time, and it's stupid. Alright, so we'll end this vlog on some good or bad news, depending on how you look at it. So, car that I haven't touched for a while. I made a good discovery. So, my discovery was that underneath the engine here, I decided to finally have a look at the fuel lines here. And yes, fuel is making its way up to the engine. The problem is that it gets to here, but then the injectors don't do anything. So, I'm like 99% sure that the I keep saying voltage regulator, the fuel pressure regulator that's under here, right back there somewhere, is out. And there's a 99% chance I'm going to have to take off the intake manifold, this piece right here, to get to it because it's like directly right underneath here. And as you can tell, there's like no space to get my hands in there anywhere to actually get to it otherwise. Because you can see the fuel rail, kind of. Let's see. See, the fuel rail is actually, you see right there, that is a little nozzle for testing fuel pressure, which I just did by taking a fuel line off, as I mentioned. And the rail is above that, so and then behind the rail, like that way, is the regulator. So I'm not looking forward to this, but it looks like we're gonna have to take this thing apart, pretty much. Yeah, and apparently mice have gotten in here because I vacuumed this out a little while ago, which I might actually include footage. Actually, I have footage of when I vacuumed out the interior and the engine of this car that I have never put in a video yet because I've never gotten around to doing anything more, and I was going to do more. So I'm going to include that in this video here. As you can tell, I have my car here with the shop vac next to it. So one thing I've been wanting to do with this car since I got it, and I haven't done it yet, is clean it out. It isn't really like, well, I mean, it's kind of filthy inside, but the main thing is that it, you know, sat in a barn for 20 years and mice got in and all that, and I have yet to actually clean it out. So today we're going to start on that. And so today most of what I'm going to be doing is just vacuuming everything out and kind of cleaning up loose ends and whatnot. And yeah, I had to disconnect my speakers. I don't think I ever showed this on video. We finally got the piece out that was behind the front seats, and there's where the wire's going for the fuel pump, but that turns out it wasn't actually the problem with the fuel pump. The fuel pump works now, so I don't know what's going on. But yeah, probably tell that up there on the tonneau cover it's filthy. It's just kind of filthy all over. Gonna need a few new parts as well. There's a leather coming off the dash over there. Some of the trim pieces that go along the bottom of the door are broken. So we're gonna have to try and find some of that stuff, but for now, let's get to vacuuming. Alright, so good news. Got pretty much everything vacuumed out, including the trunk. As you can see here, there used to be a big mouse nest in that corner there. It's no longer there, thank God. As you can tell, it just looks so much better. Even got back here, back behind the seats and everything. Oh, it's so much better, but I still need to do a lot more. Having to do a little bit of under the hood, mostly up on the edges here and up on the, whatever you call that, by the windshield there. Just little things to make it look a lot better. It's pretty nice, like it looks pretty nice, but they're back in here, as you can tell. And I think I saw mouse turds on the inside too that weren't there because I vacuumed everything out. Yeah, like that, and then all over the floor is mouse turds. I vacuumed this car out, so they're still in here somewhere. I still need to install my new windshield wipers, but I need to fix that windshield wiper first. There's so much stuff I have to do. But I think that will conclude this little vlog here. Also, yeah, those are aftermarket speakers. Those were the speakers that were in this car, or when I got it. They were back here, which I don't think I've ever shown this really since I messed everything up. But the speakers were in there, so I'm going to have to get new speakers. I may try and find stock ones, like from a LeBaron or something. I doubt that'll be easy. I might just go back and go get good aftermarket ones that are same size. I haven't really decided yet, but for now, that'll conclude this little vlog. Thank you all for watching. It's been like a week since I started this. But thank you all for watching, and hopefully sometime soon we'll have this thing running. I'm gonna try and do stuff with my truck too soon, so that'll be exciting. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out of here. See ya.